Get ready with me, guys. Here, right here, I didn't even know what I was dressing like, to be honest. The whole dress, both the trouser and the top, both felt so kind of weird. But I didn't care because I needed to get to the airport as soon as I could. Because my kid sister had to please help save her, that she forgot her newly purchased iPad in the aircraft she boarded before coming to Lagos. And at this point, she's already far away from Lagos at her destination, and there's no how she could collect it. No car, nothing. And I was like, oh no, I just wanted to eat right now. I've not had something since morning. She said, please sis. I said, don't worry, don't mention. Let's go there. So that's why you saw me. You can see me try to be as fast as I could, irrespective of the fact that I don't know how to be fast. While doing these kind of things, I like to take my time. But just look at, after preparation, I left. So I was like, let me quickly go, come back, eat, bathe and rest. As though I was so sure, but I never knew the processes was actually a rigorous one. Let me know if you've had this experience of forgetting your valuable gadgets inside an airplane. That's the first time of me having, though I'm not the one that had the experiences, it was my kid's sister, but I'm the one that experienced the collection stress. They really stressed the hell out of me, but they were quite organized about it and they did their best. I must appreciate it. I love them. I stayed there till 9 p.m. in the night before I could get the whole thing resolved, but God's so kind. Just watch my next videos to see how I went about it. Who knows, you can learn one or two as well in case of tomorrow. And if you have had this experience, this perturbing experience before, could you share with us? Could you tell me how you were able to resolve it? Were you able to resolve it same day or no? Not share with us. Thank you. Enjoy the process and the next videos.
Rise with the sun, I chase the light. Every step I take feels so right. With grace in my soul and dreams in my eyes, I walk through the fire, reaching the skies. This is my story, my truth, my vibe. Living with purpose, feeling alive. Through highs and lows I find my way, shining brighter every day. MJ's lifestyle, bold and true. A life of passion, me being you. Peace in my mind, leaving the doubts and fear behind. I bloom like flowers after the rain, strong through the joy, the growth, the pain. Every moment a chance to grow, a path that's mine, a sacred glow. With every breath I rise and shine. This life I live, uniquely mine. Final moment, a chance to grow, a path that's mine, a sacred.
And here we are, guys. So as soon as I got to the airport, I was asked to go straight to arrivals, and when I got to arrivals, I met this beautiful lady, Priska. She was such a nice person. She actually helped me contact a whole lot of persons to know if the item was found. And then as soon as she confirmed that the item has been found, she asked me to follow her. I joined her. We went straight to their inner office, that's a CSO office, to find the person that is supposed to hand the item over to me. That was even where the main work started. So as soon as we got there, she knocked and knocked and knocked. Nobody answered. This lady here is a beautiful soul. She helped me a whole lot. This is myself there as well. So finally, when we got in, they showed me the laptop, but they said I was supposed to. This is my sister when she snapped the picture with the iPad there in Abuja before the aircraft took off. I presented that to them. I also contacted on video call so they would see that we are siblings, because they were doubting. They were having some doubts. They asked for my ID and her ID. I showed them her international passport and mine. I showed them. They asked for a whole lot of things. Guys, I won't even lie. At this point, my legs were beginning to hurt so badly. And if you look naturally, you will figure out that at this point, I was already moving my legs, trying to ease the pain and all, because it was taking longer than required. It was almost 7 something, past 7 in the evening, and I needed to go home. And for someone who has not eaten all through the day, I needed to consume something to feel fit. So before you know it, I was just waiting for my sister to send in the authorization letter that she was asked to send in to prevent repetitive claims, I guess, which is proper. It's only wise that they do that. Then as soon as she sent it, I was asked to sign here, and then I did. So as soon as I finished signing, they had to proceed to hand me over the item, the gadget, that's the iPad.
In my mind, leaving the doubts and fear behind. I bloom like flowers after the rain, strong through the joy, the growth, the pain. Every moment a chance to grow.
Yay, mission successfully accomplished. Let's go home, guys. Mwah.
With every breath I rise and shine. This life I live, uniquely mine. Final moment, a chance to grow. A path that's mine, a sacred glow. With every breath.
Hey guys, so I just got back. Here's the time. This is 21:36. 9:36 to 10 in the night. Few minutes to 10 p.m. But I want to prank my sister. I want to tell her that actually on my way back from the airport, that the phone, the iPad got snatched from me, as well as my iPhone, to know her reaction. Let's do this, guys. I just hope I can fake it though. Come on. I really stressed myself a lot today. Okay, let's do this. Pranking time. Hello. 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 I'm doing so I was going to meet her from the airport, but I booked a ride. Like the guy and I call Okatabatelo Klobagala. So I now asked somebody. The person said if I take the straight route, that I will get to Ikeja and I can easily get both. So I was trekking down. Two boys from nowhere now attacked me and collected my iPhone and the iPad. The kind of, because I was struggling with them, the kind of beating I received today, Jesus. The only way I was able to save this one is because this one was in my trouser pocket. So I now flinged it. I now fling this one to one woman that sells fruit along this thing. So when they left, it was the woman that and few other people that even came to help me. Hasn't been long. I just got back. Seriously, I don't know what to do. Seriously, it's just like saying a devil planned this thing today.
Sorry.
Jesus.
I'm sorry, sis. I'm sorry.
I've not received this kind of beating in my life.
God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I've been calling since. I said, what happened? Hey. Sorry.
The kind of bruises I have, Jesus Christ.
Hey, Jesus. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, Ma, what happened when iPad on? Sorry. I was thinking that maybe something happened. Sorry, because I've been calling.
Jesus. Even after getting the iPad,
I'm sorry. Just forget about the iPad. I'm sorry. Sorry. Can you hear me now? Can you hear? Like, when a pharmacy begins, it goes with the meaning, it's going to go down, go different.
Someone helped to drop me, so tomorrow morning I'll go. Almost everywhere they've closed.
Jesus Christ. Sis, I'm sorry. Just try to get some rest this evening. And tomorrow I'll come to Lagos. Oh?
Okay.
Tomorrow I'll come. Sorry.
It's a prank, oh.
Lord of Jesus Christ. Anthony, please don't do that again. Jesus.
My baby. Baby.
Anthony, please don't do that now. How about?
It's a prank, oh. Jesus. I got stressed today. Baby, bring your mind together. I just enter house.
Anthony, I'm not even this kind.
So you love me like
I
this?
won't cry just now. I just think I was just like, what happened in this thing?
Oh my God, my baby loves me so much. Hello, can your baby sis ever? Okay. Come and lick orange. Baby?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I'm sorry. Raising up jaw.
Can't break, come be.
When I was coming back, you can swear good if you can swear good the iPad there. Actually, come high because before I want them right, I don't know what's happen.
You won't get right.
I don't get to. I just get them potassium in my bank AP filling station. Just got that AP filling station, switch it over to the other side. I saw some guys. I can't hug the iPad. I just they imagine rubbish. Like the things I imagine today. Now I tell you like this.
Like you. Hey, I might just jump. Just for my eye just now.
To think that you didn't even reason your iPad, and you were just worried about your sis. Oh.
When they beat you, listen come with the iPad, connect your iPhone there. Come on, I beg.
Oh.
The iPhone, you can get one iPad, but maybe they go, I beg.
I love you so much. Ah. Oh. Your iPad is here. Oh. I'll be expecting you soon to come and pick it.
Okay.
What color did you give my man with that here?
Thank you so much.
I love you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I don't call you. I just living my life. I'm not home. I just speak to you. I don't call you. I was like, hey, if I not send you.
I hug this one, can't hide my iPhone. I switch on at the point. I switch on off, put them inside. I just imagine where they beat me, collect everything. Oh.
Second, your iPhone.
Oh.
Hey.
She won't be your man, quick. Hey, yeah. Oh. Do make go rest. Especially when travel since. Una they do overtime. Una get loading. You get your pan. Oh. Child. Yeah. Love my own love. My love just forget her iPad. Say iPad back when my sister is involved.
What's with the iPad? You can get one iPad. iPad of one now.
Did you hear that?
I really reason. Well, thank you so much. I swear, you're the best.
You're the best too, baby.
That iPhone, that's iPad. I'm not gonna.
Iman here minute. Hey, Jesus, I got the time. You can't come like. Aku kata moto tan ukwana tomrere.
Okay.
DJ ba sigi jeba. If not for that girl gini anazo otu aha. That girl help room. Hey. Ahia bu Priska. Priska bu ahia.
Oh.
Hey, prank time.
Rise with the sun, I chase the light. Every step I take feels so right. With grace in my soul and dreams in my eyes, I walk through the fire, reaching the skies. This is my story, my truth, my vibe. Living with purpose, feeling alive. Through highs and lows I find my way, shining brighter every day. MJ's lifestyle, bold and true. A life of passion, me being you. Me being you. Love in my heart, peace in my mind. Leaving the doubts and fear behind. I bloom like flowers after the rain. Strong through the joy, the growth, the pain. Every moment, a chance to grow. A path that's mine, a sacred glow. With every breath, I rise and shine. This life I live, uniquely mine. Final moment, a chance to grow. A path that's mine, a sacred glow. With every breath, I rise and shine. This life I live, uniquely mine. Final. My story, my truth, my vibe. Living with purpose, feeling alive. From dreams to goals, I find my way, shining brighter every day. MJ's lifestyle, pure.